Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me in today's video. What I wanted to do is share with you some insight on what we do in the Swing Charts membership plan. Now, this video that you're going to see right now is a quick little clip, meaning it's cut, and you'll see a couple of little sections of it from the actual members section. So in the members section, you'll get the full video. In this video, you'll go ahead and see a little cut or trimmed version of it. So if you're interested in joining us to see what we do in the members section of the Swing Charts membership, go ahead and take a look at our website at tradersfly.com. So you can see it's tradersfly.com, and you'll be taken to a site like this. By the way, go ahead and check out some of the freebies we have there. You can download a bunch of freebies absolutely free by going to this area. But if you want to see the members section, go ahead and click this members area right there. And then you can go here and you can check out the Swing Charts, and that'll take you to a page similar to this. Now, just for you guys right now, because we have kind of this deal promotion going on, I want to go ahead and share the love. So you can go ahead and click the Get It Now button here on the monthly plan. And what you can do is go ahead and when you go to the coupon, share the love, all lowercase, apply the coupon, and what it'll do is give you half off the first month for signing up. So again, remember, coupon codes expire from time to time. It's not going to last forever. So as you're watching this video, maybe it already expired. But in the meantime, we try to keep this coupon code active as you're watching the video. So keep that in mind. If you have any trouble or issues, feel free to reach out to us or our team. Anyways, I'd love to see you in the membership section. We really focus in on charts, technical analysis, and you'll get a sample of that here as we go into this video. So enjoy the video, and I'll see you at the end. S&P 500 continues to trail to the upside, to the moon. Today we are up about, we were up much more earlier, but we're up about 38 at the moment on the S&P 500. As you can see, we continue to kind of go back to the upside since touching around 3,000. I have a little bit of a concern in this area. I think we'll be going a little sideways or even a pullback, just because if you really just look at where we've been to where we are at, the world is not as in good of a shape, I think, but you still have to trade the market as it is. So my opinion really does not matter. All that matters is what's happening with the stock. So for now, I think, that's my opinion, I think that we'll be going a little sideways or even a pullback, only because we've stretched a little further. But would I still have some long portfolio exposure? Probably. Would I still do some non-directional trades? Probably. Would I still go ahead and hedge my positions? Yeah. So anyways, be very careful here. The room to stretch and go further, there's still quite a bit of room, but it's not as big as maybe it could have been, because we didn't just come off a sell-off. The sell-off came off, we went up higher, and now we're in that upper range. So be very careful here. If we check out things like Disney here, there's a couple of interesting spots here that I want to mention. These are things that you're starting to look and watch for little clues and subtle signs. So here, let me go ahead and draw a few technicals for you. So here, as we check out this chart, let's go and look at, here's our support. Here's our support. Here we're getting into some resistance as you look into the stock right here. You can also see that right here. This was support before, which is now this resistance zone. That's what I'm talking about. This stock had a bit of trouble in this area. So this was our resistance level overhead. I think you're getting a little bit of trouble here with some of the bearish volume that's happening. But if it can hold this support level, if this price level can hold, this might be a good sign and healthy. So the one big issue for me is the bearish volume that's been strong. So that's why I'm a little more neutral on something like this. I'd be a little more careful about it. I wouldn't go bearish because it's Disney. It's been around for a while. It's a slower moving stock, but nevertheless, watch this price level. If it can't hold, that could be a bit of an issue. Also, just note this line, the 200, in this case it's the week, but you can see how it's kind of flattening out. So some sideways action is to be expected. Okay, lows, one that also continues to do well, maybe a little too far stretched, again, from my take. It's not to say that it can't go further, but I'm always cautious. Anytime a stock is kind of at higher levels, here's kind of support. Here was the attempt on the breakout further. Continues to do well. Just look at this angle here. Look at that angle. and now this is somewhat of a resistance on the internal side. So it's an inner line where it's starting to become a little bit of resistance. So that could be a little bit of an issue. But here could be your support level where it could be a good value. If it comes back here and bounces, even then, you know, it's just a little bit stretched. So just be cautious. But this stock's been performing very well. So with the way it's been moving, like many other stocks, at least this one has some support nearby. That's one of the good and healthy things for it. You know, I'm bullish on the stock. I just, again, anytime the stock is stretched, just be a little more careful. We do have a slight decrease in bullish volume, which I don't like. So it means maybe things are slowing down. And with today's up market movement, the stock is not moving. So today the market is moving high to the upside, but this stock is not moving with the market. Also a bit of a concern there. So you always look to see, are the stocks moving with the market or a little against the market, and that shows you the strength. Like, are they moving the market themselves? Like today, Amazon was moving the market, and some of the other big companies, they're moving the markets. This stock was not moving the market. So it just shows you that people are interested in this one, but maybe not in terms of, hey, a high flyer, big time investment kind of deal. So another thing to kind of keep an eye on. Okay, so there you go. I hope you got some good insight from watching this little video clip of what's inside the member section. It's kind of like a little video preview. And I hope you go ahead and join us and sign up, because that way you'll brush up and learn a little bit more about the technicals, how the market works, and just how stocks move and behave. Now, if you want to go ahead and join us, go ahead and go to the TradersFly website and go to that members section right here. So it's tradersfly.com, and then you can head on over to the members section. If you just want to go ahead and grab some freebies, feel free, go to the freebies section. There's a ton of freebies over here as well. And you could go ahead and knock your socks off and download all those if you want. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me. Remember, if you're new to the channel, hit subscribe by clicking the link right here, or join us on the newsletter list so that way you get notified as we release other great things, webinar announcements, that kind of stuff, by clicking the link right here. Thanks again, and I will see you next time.